Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can share a TikTok account to your friends. To do that, you are just going to go to their profile. You can either click on their profile picture or on their name. So I'm just going to click on the profile picture of the account. To then share the account to your friends, press the top right corner, like the three dots on the top right corner, and send it to a friend. I can either send it to like my TikTok friends, like directly in their messages, or I can even share it to other social medias. But I'm just going to send it to a friend on TikTok, so I'm just going to select the account and press send. And if I press on the direct message over here, or if I just go back and go to direct messages, as you can see, I have shared a TikTok profile. But yeah, that is it. Super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!